Hey friends, Kevin here, and I stumbled into something completely by accident that I think a lot of you might find useful. As a matter of fact, it's something I'm thinking about. Now, in a van, when you're doing a van build, you have to have a toilet of some type because trust me, emergencies are going to come up on the road, illnesses are going to happen in the middle of the night, things are going to happen. And even though I very seldom use my own big toilet that you've seen in the other video, which is a flush toilet with a water tank and all of that, it does come in handy. It has come in handy before, and my style of travel, I'm generally on the road and out and about and somewhere I can stop somewhere pretty much every day anyway. So a lot of times I just don't need it, sometimes for weeks at a time. If you're the type of person that's out on your own, for days at a time, kind of out in the woods, then your situation is going to be different. The great thing about it is it works, and it works well, and those things are $100 or so. I don't like the little bucket thing with just trying to put a pool noodle around it. You'll see people do that. I want to be a step up from that. But for somebody starting out, and especially if space is your most important thing, then this little device I found, which is actually a folding toilet, believe it or not, a folding toilet that takes up about this much space around. It's basically a lid with a little folding part kind of on top of it almost. Imagine the bottom piece instead of a lid. It's oval shaped instead of round, so it's the right dimensions to be a toilet. But it's just that this thing takes up such an incredibly small amount of space. And it doesn't cost very much money. And we're here on this shopping weekend going into Cyber Monday. This thing appears to be on sale. So I'm going to put a link down below to this thing so you can bounce over to Amazon, hit the right product that I'm talking about, and see what the current price is. Maybe something you're interested in. But try to give you a little bit better description of what this is, what it does, and why it can work for you. Now, this little folding portable toilet for Vanlife, whether you're in a minivan or a cargo van or whatever, but especially us minivan people that really have to fight space, this thing to me is just brilliant. If I didn't have the other one already, I would jump all over this, and I swear I'm considering doing it anyway, just to see if I can get by with leaving the other one at home and having this smaller one with me, because on my minivan trips, it tends a lot of times to be just me now. So especially if you're solo in a van, I think this thing is going to be great. But basically, this doesn't have a lid. If you can kind of imagine it being a big bucket, no lid, but you have the bottom piece, which is going to be flat, going to be about yay big around. And the side part of this is just pulls out kind of like an accordion and folds up, sits on it. And this thing, even though it's made out of plastic, and takes up this little space to fold it out, which can be done in just a minute, it can hold 330 pounds. That is what they're saying it's rated for. So it's going to work well as a little portable toilet in your van build. That should work for just about anybody. 330 pounds this thing can hold and can be snapped together in a minute. So if you know me, you know I generally don't do reviews of things that I haven't tried, and I don't do reviews of things even when I own them until I've had them for months and months and months. But because this is a sale price thing going on, this I think is pretty good to potentially jump on. So like I said, follow that link, jump over there, take a look at that current price and see how it works for you. But I just think it's brilliant in its little design, because we're all after things that save space. And being able to save 2 square foot of space roughly in a minivan is just going to make a huge difference. But basically, you're just going to do it. You're going to line it with a trash bag, put the little, not really a lid, but little toilet seat part on it that's going to hold it. Do your business, little cat litter. A lot of people, that's what they'll use. They'll get a little bit of cat litter. They'll use it to scoop kind of in there with it. Jerk the bag out, tie it up. You're good to go. Few seconds, put this thing back together and out of your way. So design-wise, it is absolutely, in my opinion, brilliant. So I'll have some more good stuff for you soon, but I just wanted to jump in there and hit you with that while this was going on. And if it's something you're interested in, it's probably the best price you're going to get for it. So give it a try. We'll bring you more van life hints and tips and ways to do things soon. Everybody stay safe and take care.